toes, wiggle your toes.
I felt it like right in the middle of my shoulder blades where it feels good.
Good. That's what we want.